Hi, welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's application, Website Dashboard Ninja, powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand about a very important feature, drag and drop. Basically, this feature allows us to drag and drop the dashboard snippets to our web pages. So I will be showing you how can we achieve that. First, we have to click on edit button. Now we can see a dashboard snippet over here. We can simply drag it from here and drop it over here. Now, as I have done this, I get an option to choose the desired data, and I can simply save, and I can get my dashboard below the dashboard which I am already seeing. So now you can see once I scroll down and I am getting another dashboard over here on my web page. This is how we can add our dashboards by just dragging and dropping them. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help to you. For any other questions or queries, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.